Welcome. In front of me is an Infinix Smart 8, and today I'll show you how we can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, we're gonna pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and you can swipe down once again, which will then show us the actual names of these toggles. Obviously we're looking for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which might not be added by default, so we'll press right here on these three dots, select Edit Shortcut Switches, and then find it somewhere below, which for me it is right over here. Press on the plus button. This will add it to your toggles, and when you go back, you should have access to it. Now, when doing this the first time around, you want to hold this toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize the actual mode and how it will function when you enable it. So, quickly going into the options here, we have people. Here you can select who can call you or message you. Apps, select what apps can bypass this by giving you notifications and other crap. Alarms and other interruptions. Below that we have schedule. So here you can select a fully automatic schedule that will turn on and off the mode at a provided day of the week and the start and end time. Now moving further down, we have duration for quick settings, which defines what happens when you press on the toggle instead of holding it like I did. And by default, it's going to be set to until turn off, which I do recommend probably changing it for time-based. Therefore, when you enable it, it will, for instance, enable itself, as it said right now, for 4 hours. So I can comfortably forget about the mode and the device will turn it off for me. Otherwise, without this, it would just be running indefinitely in the background till you remember to turn it off. And last thing is just notifications. So once everything is set, find the toggle, press on it to toggle it on, and you're good to go. Your mode is now enabled. Now for people that want to use a schedule instead, just make sure that it is toggled on right here, like so. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.